Cooking on holiday in your own motorhome. How exciting! Before you start, this video contains some important information about the gas hob and fridge. To use the gas hob, first open the gas bottle outside and turn on the main gas supply. Lift the glass hob cover upwards. Lighter on. Push the button down and turn towards the big flame, and then wait until the flame is lit. This process takes about 5 seconds. After cooking, please wait until your hob has completely cooled before putting the glass lid back down. Some helpful advice: while cooking, open the skylights and never use the hob for heating. Your Sunlight motorhome is fitted with a fridge and separate freezer compartment. This can be operated in 3 different modes. Switch on the fridge by pushing the black button. Here you can choose which mode you want to use. When driving, use the 12-volt supply. When parked, the fridge can be operated by gas or with an electric hookup. As a 4th option, an automatic mode is also available. This chooses the source by itself. The middle button can be used to set the temperature. 5 is the highest, 1 is the lowest level.